Hey vlog.
We're vlogging, you're vlogging, you're listening to music, and you're telling me directions. We love a multitasker.
We love our first time on the freeway together.
Tesla, but
This is a Lamborghini. We're currently in. They haven't even came out yet.
and that's on what?
Period.
She's such an alcoholic.
Remember we played this and it scared the lady?
Oh yeah. Yeah, remember that time where I got robbed?
Oh yeah, story time.
I got robbed.
Her phone. It looked like this one. Hold on.
All straight.
Oh, I was gonna I'm vlogging on your phone that got stolen. Yeah, still straight.
Oh my god, my lashes are falling off and everything.
Oh, let's tell more of the story. We got,
Oh yeah, robbed? Okay, so guys, we're gonna go to the movies, but we're gonna take the bus because we didn't have a car. Yeah, we didn't have a car. And a guy just came up and he was like, hey, can I call my mom? And I told him, you're just gonna call your mom, right? You're not gonna steal it. Like, I predicted it. And then he was like, no, I'm not. And then I let him, like, grab my phone. And then he was like, psych. And then ran.
and me and Lupa chased him, but I could have catched up to him if I dropped my backpack.
Today's an adventure.
Yes.
We're gonna have lots of vlog footage.
I don't know.
Even know. This was spontaneous. We didn't even know what movie we're gonna watch.
I thought we were going hiking.
All I want to do in life is see David Dobrik.
Yes. We should look for cameras in the bathroom. That's what I did in the past 2 videos, is look for cameras. Yeah.
I did.
Did you watch his new video?
No, I haven't.
It's where
What's going on with me? Like, I haven't watched, like, nobody's new video. Like,
Oh, she's gonna react to Peach's song.
we love that.
I'm pretty sure you heard it though.
Oh, yeah, on TikTok?
Yeah.
Burning it, yeah.
You're gonna do softball?
No, like, I remember we did softball. I did softball in middle school.
I didn't play any sports. I was a bad kid in middle school. All I did was bad things.
Ooh,
Guys, if you're wondering where we live in Alabama.
period.
Period.
Oh, they're not gonna let me back.
Should have put my hand out. Like, please.
After this.
Another right lane.
Another one?
Yeah, you go over there. Under there.
Okay.
Another one.
Okay, this one?
Yeah, one more. Go. There we go. There we go. We did it.
Yes, he tells me like at the last.
Yeah, I told her at the last minute.
Oh my god, why is that guy looking at us? You see that?
Should we fight? Oh, he is.
I told you.
I see his head peeking.
He has like Harry Potter glasses. Like,
He probably wants us to go to the school.
oh my
The
god.
which school? Whoa.
Guys, I
Guys,
feel scared.
we're going to Hogwarts.
Oh, that's a lady.
Where?
The car in front of us?
Oh,
That's a trans. Stop. No.
How do you know they're trans? You said trans?
Yeah.
How?
I mean, because I'm looking at her face right now. My beds. I just follow to be honest, when I turn, I just follow the car in front of me.
Yeah. You don't want to not
Look
follow
down,
it and
yeah.
go the wrong
You know
way.
what I mean?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love that.
like,
That's like a tip. Car tips. Just follow the car in front of you. See the arrows on the floor? So you can go in the right lane. They're not honking at you. Don't be
okay.
scared. You're not doing anything wrong.
They're honking at me?
No.
Were they honking at me?
No, they weren't.
Oh. Okay. Oh, look, that car stopped for me.
Oh.
Should we wave out?
Yeah, I'll wave. Thumbs up.
What, they're honking at me?
No, they're not.
Why are there people honking? I don't do nothing to these people.
They're not honking at you. If they are, we can fight.
Do I go straight? Or probably I did come here, but they paid for me.
And they drove.
And they drove. So I'm like kind of rich.
Yeah, we love rich. Yeah, we're rich. To the right.
Okay. Like, you're like, Lupe, you don't see the arrows?
I don't know what they mean. Go that way.
Yeah. I think that means go straight. Oh, we could turn?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I thought we had to wait for the red light.
Wait. Yeah.
Oh.
I don't know. She still turned.
Oh, that car turned.
Yeah, just follow the car.
Just
Follow the car in front of you.
That's kind of fun.
Yeah, fun.
But excuse me, Nissan, I'm I need you to stop.
Look at that poor person. Oh wait,
Do we go straight?
No, you're supposed to turn here.
Or where do I turn from? I think we're going to the.
Oh, you can go through. No, you
Here?
can't. No. Wait, why does that say you could though? Oh, maybe you could. Well, only one way to find out. That car went that way. Follow the car.
Hopefully I could turn here, or else I'm gonna get a ticket.
Oh, IKEA's up here. Yeah, you could. I don't see why you couldn't.
I could turn on red light.
No. The cars are coming. You're like, okay.
Let's see where this takes us.
Yeah, we should park close to the door so I won't get kidnapped.
Yeah. So like,
We don't like that.
we don't want to get robbed either.
But like, I don't think they'll kidnap like poor. I mean, we're rich. You can park here.
We're like rich. Me parking. I'd be thinking like people think, oh, she's dumb. Like this little girl who let her get a car. I know I have my seatbelt on.
Don't shit.
You scared me. You scared me. Hopefully I didn't damage my car.
No, I didn't. It didn't. Did you know you were gonna hit it?
No.
Was it for the video?
It's for the video.
It's for the video.
Let me reverse a little bit. Yesenia, you scared me. Don't do that. Okay.
We love that.
Can you go check outside?
Guys, her Lambo was okay. Her Lamborghini was okay, but it's okay if it wasn't, because she's just gonna get a new one anyway.
I'm not gonna read it. My dad's gonna kill me. You fixed my first accident I did in that car and I broke it, right? And he's gonna fix it this time.
We love that though. So we wanted to watch Bad Boys, but we're too young. And she asked for ID. What a bitch. I was like, I have my school ID. Are you TikTok name? Shout yourself out.
Username 2357888.
That's it? It is numbers? It's like code. It's like Morse code.
She doesn't even look like the girl.
It's fake. I want that
This is
sticker.
a scam. Look.
Interesting. We're calling out Netflix. Guys, we're in Barnes & Noble's just to fall and for the Wi-Fi. We read. No. We read. We don't need to read to be smart and be rich.
Yeah, we just get to contain it.
Yeah, but Lathorn doesn't know how to read.
I mean.
Hey guys, if you want to know a life hack, how to get some money, this is how you do it. You want to find something, if nothing's sticking out, you want to just move it. Just move it like that. Just like that. And then you want to just, oh, I don't see it. Why is there a ladder there? They're probably performing High School Musical. They're probably performing They Come Out of Nowhere, Ryan and Trey. Up to the top. If you guys are looking for a nice humor book, they recommend Shades.
My mom, what's the movie that you guys watched?
Jabambi.
Jambambi?
Guys, we're licensed to do anything now because we watched Jumanji. Therefore,
That's on.
period. Therefore, we have lots of experience doing jungle-like things and hardcore and driving Fast and Furious.
I could not be an Uber.
I know, you're like, excuse me, where are we going? I can't follow directions.
Excuse me, is it straight?
Lupa's such a good driver. Look at her, guys. Only got in a crash one time. Look at her.
With the garage.
With that garage of concrete.
My jiggies.
The only rap song I listen to.
So you'll never ever know.
I got money in my hands and I really got to go swag.
Swag. So right now we're at a football game. My voice is out because we're singing in the car. I didn't record because I was playing the music on my phone.
We're gonna call my friend to see where she's at.
She's not an alcoholic. You don't need to worry. Is there people there? If you have to pay, what the hell?